All right, JJ has been learning guitar for maybe a month. Is that right, Jay?
Yeah.
Probably a month.
Yeah.
And this is Dad's old electric guitar he's been playing with, and he has now surprised me. He wrote a song. All right, Jay.
My friends don't pay any attention to me, so I'm just the boy who sits at the tree. And so I hit that with my knee. I just want to be free from the spell. Now things have changed. It's you and me, 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 you and me. Yeah.
Nice, dude. Sounded good.